to my channel. If you have not like or subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Today I'm going to share you the important informations about this Apple iOS version 16.4.1. Apple has released or dropped has rapid security response on Apple devices. And maybe you have seen, if you have iOS devices, if you go to your phone settings, iPhone or iPad settings, general and software update, you will, and if you try to update, right, you will see the iOS security response something like that 16.4.1 and A. So this is actually new. This latest version of iPad and iOS 16.4 A mark a significant change in how actually Apple release updates for the OS updates. It is the first time that this RSR, right, rapid security response, you can call it, has been included in the operating system for iPhones and iPad, right? And these updates actually come with the new features they have given the name rapid security response, and this will enable the faster delivery of security updates to the iOS devices, and it will timely fix the any security vulnerability, right? So these actually includes minor updates, not the OS updates. So you see the size of 85 MB. So it just it will just fix the security vulnerabilities. Okay, so as you know, being as the admin, mobile device management admin, there is lots of excitement around or about this launch of security response, uh, RSR, rapid security response feature, right? And once Apple has announced this one, right? But what actually is the new with this? This is actually new naming convention they have given. Earlier you haven't seen, right, the 16.4.1, and they have put A in the bracket, right? So there will be the two type of, I will show you that there is an article from Apple, you see here. So this is the authorized Apple article. I will put this link in the description so that you can refer it. So this, you see how you can rapid security response is a mechanism of, right, these responses are included in any ensuing minor updates, not upgrade, right? And this involve operating system required to device to restart, right? So of course it's a security response, so you have to restart your devices, and if any applications are open in the background, they have to also restart. Okay, and if you are managing, like if you are managing these devices, of course, through the MDM solutions, right, you see here MDM solution can use the following restrictions key on the supervised iOS devices. So your devices has to be supervised, then you can manage it, of course, because you cannot enforce on OS updates on unsupervised devices, right? So either devices has to be supervised through Apple configurator or through Apple Business Manager. Okay, so you can allow the rapid security response installation. I will show you how you can allow and disable, and how you can block these users from being able to remove the uh, responses, right? That SRS, right? So always we always you want to allow, right? So it has not to be, because the if you don't install, or if any user will not install this rapid security response, then your devices will may be vulnerable, and anyone, I mean, this, they can be attacked or maybe. So MDM solutions can report on rapid security response with the supplemental build version and supplemental iOS version extra keys in the device info and the available OS update query. So you see here rapid the versioning, rapid security response versioning. Each rapid security response is versioned relatively to its base operating system version, starting with A and then B and so on, right? So you will see A, B, C, D. I don't know how how many they will include, but what is they say and so on. So this is how, these are the example and not to be considered. So you see for iOS 16.4 they have A, B, C, right? So like kind of this they will put it. Okay, this is they have just example. The content of this is will be OS version, this one build version, and supplemental build version like this one it will show in the MDM, and the extra will be A, right? So you see here A. So this is the build version and they have put A. Okay, so this is how will look in the MDM, and this is the available example, right? So let's go to how you can control this version, right? There is actually there is a issue with currently which Microsoft has reported as a in the newsletter. So because this is new, Microsoft has the Apple has released, right, the versioning, right, A and B, which actually compliance policy, if you have any compliance policy or any rules or any conditional access policy. So currently as of now Intune is not ready at to adopt this new naming convention, right? So they have published. So it's crucial to know, being as an admin, to install the to know the behavior and how to control for its best result, right? So this is actually it's are intended for the operating systems, and it will the devices has to be restart. Okay, so this is how you will see. Let me go to the Microsoft Intune portal and I will quickly show you how you can control that. Okay, so this is Microsoft Intune portal, and if you go to the iOS devices and then go to the configuration policy, you have to create a new profiles. Okay, select the profiles, setting catalogs. Okay, there is two, right? Select the setting catalogs, create, and you can give it the name. What is the I'm giving rapid security response. Okay, just for, and then add setting, you search for rapid, just type rapid. Okay, type rapid and you click on the restrictions. You will see the two options, just select both and click next. Okay, or go back and you see here. So allow rapid security response installation. If it's false, then rapid, so it should be true, right? So let me turn on, and this I don't want users to remove this, so let it be true. Okay, next. You can assign to all the devices or all users, or just the supervised devices, because it's only applicable for the supervised devices. Create new this policy and just refresh it, open this, and then if you just scroll down restrictions, you see allow rapid security response installation is false. It should be true, right? So it should be true, then it will allow you users to know and turn off this one, so that they cannot remove those security updates. So you see the allow security response installation must be true, and we don't want allow users to remove these security updates, because it's security, right? And it's very important, and it will fix the security, so it should be false. So try apply this policy, configurations policy, and patch your devices as soon as possible. But there is a, as I mentioned, there is a currently there is a issue, or the, so we cannot control with through the Intune. if if you have any compliance policy, but the Microsoft has released an advisory regarding the same and the impact of these new updates from the iOS. So actually, if you have, I mean, being a MDM admin, you can't create any new compliance policy to check these new OS updates like with mark it with a naming convention, right? So so the existing policy will be there is no impact on the existing policy, but you can't able to create a new compliance policy with the new naming conventions. Similar for the conditional access, or if you have any enrollment restrictions policy, it may not work. So because of this build specific value, they have added a or b, right? So so these are the actually issue. Try this and wait for the Microsoft on this impact, or how we can deal with these new naming convention with the with the iOS devices. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.